Fuck politicians, fuck the government, they're a bunch of bitches, with no damn lives.
Whoa, 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 you seem like a lesbian. Please, I'm allergic, don't get so close when I'm doing my speech.
You're such a dickhead, get out of my face.
Hey, do you know who you're talking to, Lesbo? The soon-to-be future president, so you can suck on that.
Don't count on it, and I'm not a lesbian, I just like girl-on-girl action, that's all.
So you're a Pornhub type of lesbian, I see. You know, when I become president, all porn sites are going to be demolished, only access is for me.
Ah, you're such a bastard, I hope you choke on a toe.
I hope you choke on a biscuit.
Oh whatever, just leave already.
Okay fine, I'm leaving. Hey, before I go, vote for me. Vote for me, bitch.